How to make a Capricorn man obsessed with you. Are you attempting to attract the sensual Capricorn man who appears to be difficult to reach with your affections or attention? If you follow a few recommendations, you'll get his attention and possibly more. Capricorn men are known for being productive, playful and down to earth all at the same time. Who wouldn't want to be swayed by his allure? It's one thing to be friends with a Capricorn man, it's quite another to have him fall for you. He may appear light-hearted and easy to approach, but getting into his heart is not so simple. It's not that easy, but not even impossible. A Capricorn man's heart will always be yours if you put in a little additional effort. It's simple to figure out how to make a Capricorn man crazy over you. First and foremost, you should be completely familiar with him. You've noticed that a Capricorn man is interested in you, and you're looking for a few easy ways to get him as captivated with you as you are with him. The good news is that you can make a Capricorn man feel compelled to be with you. Show him you're a down-to-earth person who works hard. You can learn how to make a Capricorn man hooked with you by creating his work ethic impulses. The Capricorn man has a strong work ethic and a sense of obligation to his co-workers. He's motivated and knows where to go because he has planned out his career since college. Allow him to realize that you have a true work ethic and commitment to your profession. His view of you will swiftly go from admiration to adoration. Show him to see how stable and complete your life is. A Capricorn man seeks out someone unique in their own right. He wants you to have a job, friends, be active in your community, volunteer, and happily share your life with others. He expects you to have your viewpoints on life and any topic. Your independence will allure him. Express this with him. If you have a full, steady life and develop logical conclusions based on your experiences, Capricorn is going to be blown away. He'll like your self-assurance and independence. When you accomplish achievement, tell him about it with passion. He'll be the first to applaud you and urge you to keep going in the direction you've chosen. Secure your financial future. Capricorn is a conservative spender. He's more concerned about amassing a sizable gold nest egg. He has a well-diverse portfolio and adheres to his investment strategy to the letter. Discuss your finances with him, including your investments and how you save money. While saving money, adopt a frugal attitude. Explain your income and spending habits if you're naturally economical and have a realistic approach to money. When Capricorn looks at you, he'll see big numbers. That's not to say he's after your cash. It simply implies he understands what it takes to achieve financial independence. Nothing makes him happier than the security that comes with earned riches. Live a practical, organized life. A Capricorn man's realistic attitude to whatever he accomplishes is one of his driving motivations. He is motivated by logic and the demand for structure. Everything he does reflects it. Explain to him that you can't go for coffee till you've accomplished your morning chores if you have defined routines that you never break. Tell him about your procedures for determining what stays and what goes if you just spend the day sorting your closet and collecting a bag of clothes for charity. He'll be impressed with your self-control. He'll express to you how much he admires your commitment to staying on top of things. Show him you like to stay home. You won't find a Capricorn man out late at night clubbing. He's never going to let wild and go insane. At the very least, not in public. In the quiet of his own house, where he feels safe and secure, he might. Show him that while you appreciate social meetings, you do not enjoy parties. Describe how you like to sit at home and watch a movie or read a nice book. Don't show your love in public. Capricorn despises needy people almost as much as he despises anyone who flaunts their emotions in public. Private times and locations should be reserved for displays of affection. Capricorn is a natural poker player. He'll never show his feelings in front of others. If you're irritated, calm down and instead of launching into a storm of scolding, instead sit down and talk to him. He'll vanish in front of your eyes. Don't hold your breath waiting for him to call. Keep in mind that a Capricorn man wants you to have your lifestyle. As a result, you should never wait for him to call. You should rather go out and live your life as you did before you met him. Being absent isn't a game, it's a fact of life when you have a busy schedule. Tell him about your plans. Capricorn isn't a sign that thrives on surprises. Everything must be meticulously prepared to the nth degree. Inform him of your plans. Tell him if you're planning major changes such as purchasing a condo or a new car. Let him in on your study and how you concluded that one was the best. He'll be completely enamored with you. If you can't do something new without planning it out, tell him about it. If you're a list maker, allow him to see your lists. He'll be overjoyed and may even show a little excitement. Take the time to get to know him. A Capricorn man is wary of entering into new connections. He needs to get to know you and figure out what makes you tick first. You should adopt this mindset and spend time asking him questions that demonstrate your genuine desire to learn more about him. Always be well-dressed and well-groomed. Being well-groomed is a turn-on for Capricorn, even though it may sound stupid. If you want this man to notice you, you must always present yourself in the best possible way. It shows Capricorn how much you value yourself, and he will value you in return. He can be assured that, like him, you will constantly strive to put your best foot forward. Capricorn values honesty, therefore don't trick him if you lack some of these characteristics. He'll be able to look right through you. Make a conscious effort to imitate him. The Capricorn guy believes that his universe is unique to him and that everyone else is alien, which causes him to be too self-aware. Things that aren't done the way he wants them to be will be interpreted as excessive. When he sees individuals who act or do things the same way he does, he becomes captivated and enthusiastic. It is a great point of attraction you should investigate. So, if you want to make a Capricorn man obsessed with you to the point where he can't take his mind off you, try replicating some of his characteristics. You can mimic the way a Capricorn laughs, moves, eats, and so forth. By doing so, you will catch his attention, and as a result, he will become infatuated with you. Rather, it means you should be adaptable enough to mimic some of the weird man's habits for him to be in love with you. Treat him with the utmost respect. The Capricorn guy can be arrogant at times and easily see any wrongdoing as a show of disdain, which irritates him. You must treat him with such respect at all times if you want him to fall in love with you. It is not always easy to be in a relationship with this man. Don't try to be too pushy with him because he loves to feel in command at all times. He will begin to withdraw the instant he notices any signs of insubordination or confrontation, which you must avoid if you want him to think about you at all times. There's no denying that men like to be in charge, but the Capricorn craves it to such an extent that you must accommodate him. Pay attention to him anytime he asks for it. Capricorn men can be attention-seeking, and if you don't offer them your full focus when they need it, you risk being mistaken for an enemy. He is concerned with numerous things. To occupy a space in his head, you must offer him your full attention, even if it is inconvenient. Do not deceive him. Always tell him the truth as much as possible, because he despises it when you lie to him. He is a blunt person who likes it when others tell it instead of attempting to be polite. When he recognizes you as a trustworthy individual, he will feel at ease with you. When dealing with him, be straightforward. Don't try to fool him. He is a keen observer who will go out of his way to corroborate facts about topics he already knows. The Capricorn male's peculiarity makes it seem implausible that he would ever hook up with a lady to the point of madness. Still, it has happened on multiple occasions in our world today. These were some of the key strategies that women who've succeeded in this quest have utilized and gotten great results. It's good if you can put them into practice. You'll have miracles as well.